Hi. So we got another order packing video, and I'm going to show you guys how I packed all 5 of these sets in one box. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy the video. So to fit all 5 sets in, I just flip the lid over and put them inside of the lid. But you could also just flip the box the other way and have it, what's it called? Horizontal, vertical, diagonal, straight up and down. So you could fit all 5 sets in. I just chose to do it this way because I thought it looked nice. Just because the nails are in the lid, it doesn't mean that the nails are going to fall all over the place, because I'm using the tape, which is very, very strong. And I'm also keeping in that fluffy stuff. So it's going to be like a barrier between both sets of nails, and it's also going to keep the nails in place. So there you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want to know how I made this flower backdrop, go ahead and check out this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.